Today we set sail with Captain Andy's for the Na Pali Coast.
All right, here we are, round 2 of Captain Andy's. We are on a slightly different boat and tour today. It's really the same course. I guess the food is a little bit different as well. So we have a different captain and everything, but we are in beautiful sunshine, so fingers crossed that today is a success.
After check-in, boarding, and a quick safety demonstration, we set sail to the Na Pali Coast. We were so excited to finally have sunshine. Maybe today will be the day. The ride to the coast was relaxing and fun, but nothing could prepare us for when we turned the corner and saw our first peak of the Na Pali Coast. There really is nothing quite like it. The sharp green peaks diving into the crystal deep blue waters. It's just breathtaking. If you see the cave a little to the left of center of the screen, there's a story behind that. Apparently, some daredevil helicopter pilot thought it'd be a great idea to fly the helicopter through there. So in somewhat of a dare, he did. And then he turned around and did it again and again until finally the FAA got wind of it and put a stop to his fun. And then there it was, the cathedral. Some sights just leave you speechless.
Show you guys or give you guys that extended platinum tour. But since we're doing that, let's open the bar, right? Yeah. I'm gonna open the bar now. I'm gonna let you know your options. The crew.
Captain Andy's team was incredibly professional, fun, and provided great commentary along the entire journey. I would highly recommend this tour to anyone who wanted to see the Na Pali Coast. Finally, we hit the point of the tour where it was time to turn around, and that meant it was time for dinner service. We were excited because they really hyped up this meal. The food was incredibly delicious, just a little hard to eat in the wind. The lettuce actually flew off my plate. Sneak peek at the bathroom for you before we retreated back inside with dessert. Ready to book your own incredible journey? Click the link in the comments.
Where
going next? Let's go.